no. Today I will show you how to arrange coins levitation at home. All I need for this presentation are two magnets stick together on a simple stick, two glasses just used and books used as a holder, and simple glass. Okay, we all know that when I put the magnets together or the coins together to the magnet, the coins are immediately magnetized and they stick together. Even if I pull the coin out of the magnet, they are still keeping together because they are magnetized. So to arrange the levitation, I just put the last coin on the corner of the glass. Okay, you can see it's very well attracted. So one more try. I just put the coin on the side of the glass and I can get a simple coins levitation or balance on the side of the glass. Okay, what is disadvantage that when I move with the glass to the side, it falls down very quickly because they are just attracted by the magnet but not by the glass. So it immediately falls down. But what will happen, how to make it easier, when I put here not a simple glass but a metal cup. This way I can get the levitation really much easier or very simply, because the attraction of the coins is also between the cup and the coins, so the balance is really easily achieved. What is even good that, okay, if I move with it, you can see it's really holding together, the levitation is very strong and it is not falling down. So this is very nice when you do it with the cup at home. Even I can move the cup to the side and it's still levitating. So this is the levitation with coins at home. This is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Okay.